Imagine you're driving across America. Your GPS leads you into a quiet little town. The streets are empty. Most of the storefronts are boarded up. You stop for gas, and before you leave, the cashier quietly says, "Don't stay here after dark." No explanation, just those 5 words. It sounds something from a horror movie. Except it's real. Across the United States, there are small towns where violent crime rivals major cities, where police departments struggle with limited resources, and where locals have learned one simple rule. If something goes wrong, you're mostly on your own. Today we'll be uncovering 10 of the most dangerous small towns in America. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why some of these places continue making national headlines while others stay hidden in plain sight. When people imagine small town America, they picture peaceful neighborhoods, friendly neighbors, children riding bicycles, a quiet life. But reality isn't always that simple. Many towns have spent decades fighting economic collapse, disappearing jobs, shrinking population, and rising crime. As businesses close, tax revenue disappeared, police departments become smaller, emergency services become slower, and in these communities, crime fill the empty spaces. Today's list isn't about judging these towns, it's about understanding how they reached this point and why thousands of good people still proudly call them home. Let's begin. Number 10. Sauk Village, Illinois, located just south of Chicago. Sauk Village looks like an ordinary suburb, but statistics tell a different story. Despite its relatively small population, the town has repeatedly reported violent crime rates that place it among America's most dangerous smaller communities. For many residents, security cameras, locked doors, and avoiding curtain areas after dark have simply become part of everyday life. But Sauk Village is only the beginning. The next town has struggled with the same problems for decades. Number 9. Robstown, Texas. Just outside Corpus Christi sits Robstown. Crime has consistently remained well above what many people expect from a community of its size. Locals often describe two completely different versions of Robstown, one during daylight, another after sunset, and that difference is exactly what surprises first time visitors. Number 8. Espanolo, New Mexico. Surrounded by beautiful desert landscapes, Espanolo appears peaceful, but behind the scenery, the town has struggled with violent crime, addiction, and economic hardships for years. Many visitors only see the mountains. Residents see something very different, and unfortunately, things become even more concerning from here. Number 7. West Memphis, Arkansas. Cross the Mississippi River and you'll arrive in West Memphis. Its location had made it an important transportation hub, but it has also faced years of crime-related challenges, despite continuous efforts by local authorities. Many neighborhoods still struggle with public safety concerns, yet the next town shows what happens when economic decline lasts for generations. Number 6. Lumberton, North Carolina. Lumberton wasn't always known for crime. It was once a growing community with opportunity, but the decades of economic hardship changed everything. Today, local leaders continue working to rebuild neighborhoods, while resistance hope at your bring improvement. And halfway through our list, things only become more serious. And number 5. Gallup, New Mexico. During the afternoon. And you'll probably wonder why it's on this list. Historic Route 66. Restaurants, hotels, tourists, everything seems normal until nightfall. That's when many locals recommend staying alert. For years, Gallup has faced challenges involving violent crime, addiction, and poverty. Problems that don't disappear once visitors leave. Number 4. Assistant, Alabama. Assistant has a proud history. Manufacturing once made this town thrive, but when industries disappeared, the community faced difficult choices. Economic decline often brings more than unemployment. It also affects public safety. Today, Aniston continues working toward recovery, but the numbers remind everyone how difficult that journey has been. Number 3. Bessemer, Alabama. Few towns this size receive as much national attention for crime as Bessemer. Over the years, researchers have consistently ranked it among America's most dangerous communities. Resistance known which streets to avoid, which areas become quiet after dark, and how quickly life can change. Yet, one town still ranks even higher. Number 2. Pine Bluff, Arkansas. Pine Bluff tells a story repeated across America. Population declines, businesses leave, families relocate, resources shrink, crimes grow. Experts estimate the economic cost of crime here reaches millions every year, and rebuilding trust takes far longer than rebuilding buildings. But none of these towns compares to number 1. Number 1. East St. Louis, Illinois. For years, East St. Louis has become one of the most recognized example of urban decline in America. Despite sitting beside one of the country's largest metropolitan areas, it has struggled with poverty, population loss, underinvestment, and violent crime. Behind every static, there's a family, a neighborhood, a child walking home for school, people trying to build normal lives in extraordinary difficult circumstances. And that's something statics alone can never fully explain. What connects every town on today's list isn't just crime, it's resilience. Because despite every challenge, people still live there. They live, raise families there. They still believe their hometown deserve another chance. So before judging any place, remember, every crime static represents real people, not just numbers. But here's the question. How many more towns across America are quietly facing the same future without any paying attention? Next time, fully exploring one forgotten American town so insulated. Most travelers drive straight past it without ever realizing the story hiding just beyond the highway. Until then, stay curious and welcome to Hidden USA.